Alrighty, this is George Blanchard showing off enhancement number 7 for PHP motors. Alrighty, let's get right into things. So, we have snazzied some stuff up. We will, yes, we will take our adventure with the Lumix Lord today. So, we have logged him in. He is only a level 1 user, so he does not get the vehicle management. We will show that off later. I just don't want to play with my admin stuff as far as changing that around. So, it is here in, this is the admin view. So, the client update, we will go into here. So, as you can see, we start out sticky. We have first, last name, and email changed out. If we attempt to make an update with nothing actually changed, it doesn't really let us do anything. Let's say we want to change the email. Lumix Lord here now has his own website. Instead of Lumix Lord at Lidl.net, he is the boss at LuMixLord.gov. Okay, he's become his own country people. You better watch out. So everything is good there. We have a change. We have a new email address. Let's go ahead and, well, I don't know how to copy that. So let's try to do something else. We can show off some other things. Let me just show off here that we have client-side validation. We have some server-side validation. We even have, let's say you want to change let's say you want to change to our admin email and change everything else. Can you do it? No, you can't. You cannot change your email to something already existing in our records. Absolutely not. It is not okay. So let us change our password. What do we want to change it to? I know we'll change it to. And I'll show off. So we need a capital letter, special character. There you go. Actually, let's say first we don't, just to show off that our validation is still working. We'll do a special and a number. We won't do a capital letter just to show that we're almost making it. Can we change our password? Nope. Must request the format. What if we had no validate? Nope. Must provide information. Well, I suppose relevant, I should say. So, no dice there. So let us instead... Oh, wait a minute. I forgot my beautiful X. There we go. Alright, let us change our password to this. Let's boom. Update. So, that kicked us out of our account. So, in order to log back in here, we will use this. And oh, that's right. I did not change the email back. Oh my. Okay, well, that's why we did not do this with the account. So, what did I set that to? Set it to that. What was that? LuMixLord.gov? Something silly? Ah, yes, here we go. Here we go. Bada bing, bada bing. Will we save this password? Of course we will. Of course. Thank you, Chrome. So, here we go. We have shown that. We have did our stuff. Our password is new. Our email is new. Let us check our old validations here. Our HTML should be nice and pretty. Our CSS is going to complain about our font, as it likes to do. But our wave is going to be nice and pretty and happy. We show our beautiful, mighty responsiveness. Yes, indeed. Alright, so next. Let's see. our case statements in our accounts controller. Yes, indeedy. We have our beautiful, we have some wonderful ones. So first we have our update that gets us our information going into this here view, the client update PHP. We have the update client that will do the first name, last name, email, so on and so forth, as well as the update password case. Yes indeed, the password, the account, the view, yes indeed. Yes, fully operational, MVC solution, yada yada. So yes, you'll see as you go through, as I'm sure you will, check my beautiful functions, you'll check my beautiful models, so on and so forth. Yes, new functions, yes indeed. We have, here in the account. Yes. So, whereas we had, the get client based on email, we are getting client info based on the client ID. We have a new function that updates the client by the first name, last name, and email. And we have our update password that changes the lovely password. Yes, our data is checked using client side and server side. So I think I showed that pretty well. Password data checked using client side, server side. Yes, indeed, showed all that. So let us see. Yes, we possess the above changes. Oh, actually, let me. Yeah. Okay, I did all this with Linux Lord. Let me go back to our admin, because old Linux Lord, even though he's the boss of his own government, he is merely a level 1 user as far as PHP motors is concerned. He's a mook and peon. We don't care about him. The admin user, as a level 3 client, not only has account management, but has inventory management. And in fact, I think one other thing that we had talked about was wanting to make sure that you can't get in and like update your own user information if you are in fact not logged in. So let's also show that. We will log out. We will attempt to roll in here to the update screen, and it will not work, and it will kick us back home. So there will be no cheesing about getting into pages that you're not supposed to be while you are not logged in. Is there anything else? Client update PHP, front end checklist, yes indeed. Count update works, password change works, sure does. Logging out and logging in again after a password change, indeed, we showed that. So, with that, yet another 8-minute long video. Oh boy. Despite me trying to make it brief. So, thank you, and goodbye.